Bees are some of the hardest workers in the animal kingdom, and they play a vital role in maintaining the health of our planet. Though they may seem small and unassuming, bees are essential to the survival of many plants, animals, and even humans. Without bees, life as we know it would be very different. Bees are known for their ability to pollinate plants, which is one of the most important roles they play in the ecosystem. Pollination is the process by which pollen from one flower is transferred to another, helping plants reproduce. Bees are especially skilled at this task because of their unique bodies and behavior. When a bee visits a flower to collect nectar, it brushes against the flower's anthers, picking up pollen. As it moves to another flower, the pollen is transferred, fertilizing the plant and allowing it to produce seeds and fruit. This process is critical for many of the foods we eat, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. In fact, it is estimated that 1 out of every 3 bites of food we consume is made possible by bees and other pollinators. Without bees, many of the plants that provide food for humans, animals, and other insects would not be able to grow. This means that bees are essential to maintaining biodiversity and ensuring a stable food supply. But bees do more than just help plants grow. They also support entire ecosystems. By pollinating plants, bees help ensure that habitats for other animals remain healthy. For example, flowers provide food and shelter for birds, insects, and small mammals. Without bees, these habitats would start to disappear, and many of these animals would lose their homes and food sources. Bees also contribute to the health of wild plants, which in turn support other wildlife. Wildflowers, trees, and shrubs all rely on bee pollination to reproduce. In turn, these plants provide shelter and food for a wide variety of animals. In this way, bees help create and maintain healthy ecosystems, contributing to the balance of life on Earth. Sadly, bee populations are in decline. Many factors, including habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and disease, are putting pressure on bee populations worldwide. This decline is a serious concern because it threatens the food supply and the delicate balance of ecosystems. That's why it's important for us to do everything we can to protect bees and their habitats. We can all help by planting bee-friendly flowers, avoiding harmful pesticides, and supporting efforts to conserve bee habitats. Bees may be small, but their impact on the world is enormous. By protecting them, we're ensuring a healthier, more sustainable future for all life on Earth.